Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor website design course video series. In the previous video, I have shown you how you can use animation in Elementor. We added some animation for the different section on the home page. Now in this video, we are going to add a new page for the website and we are going to create a single page template which will be used for all the pages on the website. So we are going to create a layout for the single page. Right, so let's go back to the dashboard of the website, go to templates and click on Theme Builder. In the left hand panel, you will see the option single page. Click on it. Right, we have not created any template yet. Let's click on add new. Let's close this one. We are going to create the template manually. Now at the top on each page, I want a banner section where the title of the page will be shown. So let's click on plus sign and select single column section. Just like this one, we have this block template created and at the top we have this title section. So we are going to create title section for each page on the website. So select the section, go to advanced and add some padding for the top and bottom. Let's make it 100 pixel, 100 pixel. Let's go to style settings, click on background type, select an image here. I'm going to let's use this one, about us. Let's use this one because this image will remain constant for all the pages. Select, change the position to center, fixed, no repeat and cover. So this is the background image for the banner. Let's add background overlay color. Click on background type, select a color. Let's make it darker and let's change the opacity so that we can add white text on it. Now click on the plus sign and here we want to add a title of the page. You will see post title, but we are not going to use the post title. Search for title in the search box and you will see an option here, page title. We are creating a template for the single page, not the single post. We already created template for the single post in the previous video. All right, so select page title, drag it and drop it here. We have one page created, that is blog, so that's why it shows here. Click on style settings and center align it, change the color to white. From here you can change the typography, you can change the font size, you can change the font weight, you can also change the font family. Let's go back to content. Currently it is using H1 tag, that I think is good. So this is going to be the banner or the title section. And after that, I want to show the content for that page. Okay, so click on the plus sign here, select a container and click on the plus sign and look for post content, drag it and drop it here. Okay, so this section will show whatever you are going to create for that page. Now below that, if you want to add a contact form or any other section which will be shown on all the pages, then you can add that here. As of now, I'm going to use only the banner section and the content section. Click on publish and where do you want to display your template? Currently it is set to pages and all pages. So this template will be used for all the pages. Click on save and continue. All right, and now let's go back to dashboard. We are going to create a new page. Go to pages, click on add new page and let's name it as about us. In the right hand panel, you will see template, which is set to default template. All right, so I'm going to keep it as it is and I'll show you what is the difference between the default template and Elementor Canvas, Elementor full width. So I'm going to set it to default template and click on publish. All right, so we have created a blank page. Go to view page and open it in a new tab. All right, so this is the default template and you can see that it is using the template or the layout that we created here under single page. Okay, so if I go here, you will see the banner section. We do not have anything here in the content, so that's why it shows nothing. Then we have footer. Let's add something here. Now we are not going to use the default Gutenberg to create a page. I just want to show you the difference between these templates. Okay, so I'm going to add some content here. Click on save. Let's refresh it and you will see all the content here. So at the top we have this banner section, then we have content, and then we have footer. Right, let's go back, go to page here and change the default template to Elementor Canvas. Click Save. Right now we are using Elementor Canvas, and when you select Elementor Canvas, it is going to give you a page without header and footer section. Let's go back, refresh it, and you will see a page which does not have any header and footer section. It's a completely blank page with only the content. You will see this is the content and it shows it here. Now let's go to Elementor Canvas and change it to Elementor full width and save it. Alright, so we have changed the template to Elementor full width. Now in this case, it is going to use the default header and footer section. However, it is not going to use this single page layout. Okay, let's go here, refresh it. You will see header and footer, and then we have content. So it is not using this layout. All right, let's leave it as it is and click on Edit with Elementor. Now we are using the Elementor full width template. Okay, and we have this content here. This is the section with the text editor. Okay, now we can customize this one and we can add some padding to the top, to the bottom. After that, we can also add multiple content or multiple sections here and create the content for the home page. Let's add image here and let's copy this one. I just want to show you how does this work, so that's why I'm using some dummy content here. Let's publish it and let's refresh it. Okay, so we do not have this banner section at the top. We have only the content on the page, header and footer. Now if I go back and if I go to page settings from here and change the layout to default, you will see it is now using this template. So if you want to use the same template for all the inner pages, then you can create a single page template and from the page settings change the layout to default. So once you change it to default layout, it is going to use this single page template. If you do not want this banner and if you want to create a banner manually for each and every page, then simply change it to Elementor full width and you can customize each and every page manually. Let's change it to default, publish it, let's refresh it, and this is the single page layout. Right, so you can add your own content here. In previous video, we created a contact form template, so we can use the contact form template also. Let's delete this image, go to plus sign, select search for template, drag it and drop it here and look for contact form. You will see this template that we created. Publish it, refresh it. So you will see the same contact form is added on the About Us page. Now let's go to dashboard again. We are going to add this page in the main menu. Let's go to dashboard, go to appearance, go to menus. In the previous videos, I have shown you how to create menus. We have About Us page, so select it and add it. We also have blog page, select that one and add in the menu. Click on Save menu. Let's refresh it and you will see those items are added in the main menu. I can go to Home. In the next video, we are going to add services page to the website.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section and press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.